दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब के बटन पर क्लिक करें और चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लें। साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर दें ताकि आने वाली हर न्यू वीडियो अपडेट्स मिलती रहें।
Awareness about mental health is crucial for a better and healthier life. It helps reduce stigma, encourages empathy, and promotes early intervention. Being aware of mental health allows individuals to identify and take prompt actions. Early detection leads to better outcomes and improved well-being. Awareness about mental health contributes to overall health and well-being. It empowers individuals to actively care for their minds and cope with life's challenges. Increased awareness often leads to better access to mental health resources and services. It helps people know where to seek help and ensures their safety. Promoting mental health awareness improves the role and well-being of employees within a company. It fosters a supportive work environment and enhances productivity. Awareness campaigns can help identify warning signs and risk factors for suicide. By recognizing these signs, effective preventive measures can be taken. Mental health awareness initiatives bring communities together and create a platform for support and understanding. They connect individuals facing mental health challenges. By promoting mental health awareness, we can improve the well-being of individuals and society as a whole. Let's work together to create a mentally healthier world.